Hi, Bennett. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. Sarah spoke with my employee Haley and said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you can start bringing in more customers for free because they're finding you when they do a search for roofing services. The reason we're doing this is because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska. So I understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also understand business owners are really busy running the business and they don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer every day and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring business to them. And what we found is the biggest thing that holds business owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been lots of business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. And we only look to take on one exclusive client in any area we work because we don't want to compete with ourselves. We know the results we bring. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident in the results we can deliver you, give us a call and we can have a chat. If you want to take this information and just make changes yourself, please do. This is free education and that's what it's intended for. So I'm here to talk about three quick topics today: content, citations, and backlinks. I'm looking on your homepage. You guys have a great looking site. You definitely are working on branding. I can tell from the logo and from the truck wrap. And you have your contact form to fill out. This is a good looking site. Now, the appearance of the site is always for the customers. Google does not rank your site based on looks. Google is using bots called crawlers that actually scan all of the content within your site. And these bots are trying to find keywords to rank you for in customer search results. So for Google, content is king. Now it's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then you want to do at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content. When you have your site built this way, it actually does two things. It shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it will have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers for you. Now, I actually have an example of a keyword right over here, and it is Nashville Roofing Company. This keyword is getting searched several hundred times a month. When customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this Google My Business or Map Pack, GMB. Now, this map pack or Google My Business is area specific, so it's geographic based. That means with you guys having so many different service areas and states that you cover, you're going to want to set up individual locations for each of your main offices, okay? Having one set up for each location, and then you want to get your contact information, photos, and website listed. And after you've got that done, you need to get your contact information into citations, which are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but you want to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers call the most in the map pack. Now, if we continue down, these are called organic search results. The top few sites get rotated by Google for that top position, but we can see your top competitor right now is also dominating the map pack. So let's take a look at their site and see what they're doing. We see they have their phone number, they've got their contact information. They don't have very much content at all. So that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to help you beat them. Now, for the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. This is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So I can see you do not have a homepage ranking yet. Your entire website has no domain ranking. Now, these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made by the backlinks. A backlink is when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. Google gets competitive here. Not all backlinks are created equal. So before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. So right now you have 4 links coming from 2 sites. I also want to point out you have no meta tags. This is something Google is looking for as well. Going back to your backlinks, you have 2 sites linking to you, and one is a 0 ranking and the other is greensiteinfo.com. So I would work on getting some more backlinks. Now, right now you have 45 keywords that you're getting ranked by Google for. Let's see and take a look at your position. So you're number one for your company name, which is great. That's exactly the type of branding that you need. But after that, all of the other searches, you're not coming up until the second, third, fourth page. So you still need to work on some ranking because customers aren't shopping that far back on searches. All of this is giving you 11 traffic a month. And I want to point out you're targeting ads. The reason I didn't go over the Google ads is because it's harder to get a return on investment if you don't know what you're doing. So you want to pay attention to the keywords you're targeting. Roofers, Memphis, Tennessee is great. It's getting 200 searches a month, $7 for cost per click. You've got Memphis roofing companies, like you've got some buyer intent keywords for some of your areas, which looks really good. I was actually going to show you the Memphis competitor of Excellent Roofing because they have 1,000 keywords and they're getting 900 traffic each month. But make sure that these show buyer intent. So best roofing contractor near me, that's going to still rank for you. And you can also look at pay attention to the costs. Like patching roofs, this is not one I would use because it only gets 150 searches nationwide. Meanwhile, you have some here that are targeting city specific and they're getting double. So pay attention on where you're spending your money for that return on investment with keywords for the ads. But like I said, all this is giving you 11 traffic. Now, Nashville Roofing Company, they have a homepage ranking of 28, domain ranking of 1.8. So we will search through their backlinks to find the highest quality, best ranking ones to put on your site and give you that authority. But then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using and put them on your site so that your site can be the strongest site and dominate the market. Their links are coming from 91 sites. They only have 248 keywords, and that's giving them that 455 traffic. And like I said, with the Excellent Roofing, going back here, take a look at Excellent Roofing because they're Memphis based. They have a stronger site, so we would be searching through their 4,000 backlinks too to make sure that you beat them. And they have 1,000 keywords and 844 traffic. They just weren't ranking for Nashville, they were ranking for Memphis roofing companies. So we are going to see them. You can see they're at the top of the map pack, and if you go down, they are at the top right here as well. So yeah, they're Excellent Roofing and the Nashville Roofing Company. The way that you guys can get that attention that you're looking for and get that business you're looking for is to pop up where customers are searching. Quick recap, you guys are going to want at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. This is one keyword. You want at least 100 words of content to support it. Then you need to get your contact information into as many online directories as you can and make sure you have individual Google My Business listings set up for each office. Last thing is you need to go get high quality backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. Check in with your ads and get your meta tags completed. With these steps, you guys will be ranking #1 across Google. I know it was a lot of information, but if you take it and apply it yourself, it's free education and you're going to see great results. My team is really looking for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. Now, if you did want help getting this stuff done because you see the value in it and you want to grow your business, give us a call. We can have a chat and see if we're going to be a good fit, and we will take you on as our exclusive roofing client in the area and get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees. Haley will follow up in the next few days to get feedback on the video, so thank you for taking the time to watch it. I'm sorry it went a little long, but I hope you got great value out of it. Take care.